Alright, so I have x plus 2 times quantity x squared plus 9x plus 7. They call this a binomial because it has two terms. They have an x and then a 2. And this is called a trinomial because there's three terms. 1, 2, and then the third one. They call this one a linear because it has the power of 1. And we're multiplying a linear times the highest power here is a quadratic, power of 2. And you're going to see that when I multiply those, we're going to look for its highest degree. So I'm going to make a big box. The question is, how big is the box? Well, I'm going to write x squared plus 9x plus 7. And you see how each of the terms gets one box. And then I have x plus 2. Now if you did yours the other way, yours might look like something like that, which is perfectly okay. We're just going to multiply, and then we're going to add or combine like terms. Class, x times x squared. X times 9x. X times 7. 2 times x squared.
2x squared.
2 times 9x.
18x.
And 2 times 7. Now in math, you go through many steps, so if it helps you, you make a list of things you need to do, and I like to check them off. Now I'm just going to combine like terms. That means adding, so here in blue, those are like terms. Here in green, these are like terms. And you'll notice that here, this one does not have a like term, nor does the last term. So I have x cubed. 2 here is a positive, so I put a plus. And this is also a positive. Green, this is a positive 18x plus a positive 7x. 14 is positive, so I put a plus. Now when they're like terms, all you have to do is add the coefficients. Class, what's 9 plus 2? Do I need to add the exponents? No, you do not. So it's 11x squared. 18 plus 7?
25.
And then you have a 14 here. So this is written in descending order. Descending order means by the powers. So 3, 2, this is an invisible 1, and this is x to the 0 power. It does not go by the coefficients or numbers in front. So I'm just going to write this back up here to show you. That the highest power here is a 3, and that's why it's a cubic. So this whole chapter is about multiplying linears times quadratic, or getting something so that it's a cubic. If you had to graph that, go to where it says y equals. I need x to the third. The trick of getting x to the third is just writing 3 x's. Plus 11x squared plus 25x plus 14. Zoom 6. Notice that my graph is over here on the x values are negative to about 0, and I need to go higher on the y value, so I'm going to change my window. Go to 1 here. Let's go to 50, count by 5s, see what happens. Ah, I made it. So if you had to sketch your graph, so you'll notice that this is here, that might look like it's quadratic or an absolute value, but because it has kind of like an S, sideways S, then it's a cubic function.